तू ही मेरी दिल की सुबासा वो तू मेरी रूह में आशा। Molybdenum deficiency affects the activity of nitrate reductase. Plant purify air during photosynthesis. Translocation of carbohydrate occurs in form of sucrose. In photosynthesis, free energy is converted into potential energy and stored. Translocation of food occurs through sieve tube or phloem cell. Photosynthesis proceeds in sequence of light phase and dark phase. Respiration is the process in which sugar is oxidized to release energy. CO2 is released by plant during respiration. Sugarcane shows chloroplast dimorphism. ATP full form is adenosine triphosphate. ATP contain high energy phosphate bond. ATP contain high energy phosphate bond. Energy produced during respiration is converted into ATP. Both respiration and photosynthesis require cytochromes. Energy currency of cell is ATP. Mitochondria are sites of oxidative phosphorylation. Respiration is an exothermic process. In anaerobic respiration, CO2 is released. Fermentation is anaerobic respiration. Instantaneous source of energy is glucose. Net gain of energy from 1 gram mole of glucose during aerobic respiration is 38 ATP. In plant, energy is produced during respiration. Different steps in respiration are controlled by enzymes. Anaerobic respiration happens in absence of oxygen. Anaerobic respiration occurs in yeast. Incomplete breakdown of sugar in anaerobic respiration form alcohol and CO2. Importance of respiration in plant is that it liberates energy. In glycolysis, ultimately, glucose is converted into pyruvic acid. In Krebs cycle, pyruvic acid is converted into CO2 and H2O. Alcohol is a product of anaerobic respiration. Respiration is found in all living cell, both in light and dark. In mitochondria, ATP synthesis occurs in Christie. Maximum amount of energy is liberated on oxidation of fats. End product of aerobic respiration is CO2, H2O and energy. Aerobic respiration yields maximum energy. Mitochondria are storehouse of ATP. Respiration is a catabolic process that uses O2, produces CO2, and converts released energy into ATP. Seeds can respire in absence of oxygen. Krebs cycle is aerobic. Krebs cycle forms an important product ATP. Auxin is a plant hormone. 2,4-D is a weedicide. Hormone are organic compound which controls growth of plant. Hormone are found in small amount. It controls metabolic activity. Different concentration of hormone have different effect on different organ. Indole acetic acid is auxins. Auxin inhibits the falling of leaf. तू ही मेरी दिल की सुबह सा तू मेरी Auxin inhibits the falling of leaf. Auxin promotes apical growth. Auxin destroys weeds. Plant hormones or phytohormones have huge effect on growth and development. Food products in cold storage because due to freshness, longevity and taste due to low respiration. Naturally occurring auxin is IAA. Ethylene is a gaseous plant hormone. Auxin suppresses the growth of lateral axillary buds. Auxin suppresses the growth of lateral axillary buds. Gibberellin brings elongation of genetically dwarf plant. Parthenocarpy fruit is obtained by phytohormone auxins. Dwarfness can be controlled by treating the plant with gibberellic acid. Highest concentration of auxin occurs in growing tips. Hormone helping in cell division is cytokinin or zeatin. Gibberellins is first separated from fungi. A chemical involved in flowering is called florigen. Ripening banana produces more ethylene. IAA was first isolated from human urine. Fruit drop occurs when fruit has less oxygen as compared to stem. Oxanometer measures the rate of growth of plant. Roots help in holding the plant firmly into soil. Growth in plant occur whole life. Growth rate of plant versus time graph is S-shaped curve called sigmoid curve. Growth movement in plant due to light is called phototropism. Paratonic movement in plant is induced by external stimuli. Movement of leaves of sensitive plant Mimosa pudica are due to seismonasty. Positive phototropic movement when growth of stem towards sunlight and growth of root just opposite to it. Downward growth of root is called positive geotropism. Thigmotropism is best exhibited by tendrils. Plant will move towards or away from contact stimulus. This is called thigmotropism, and thigmotropism is best exhibited by tendrils. Leaves of mimosa droop down on touch because of loss of water from cell to intercellular space in pulvinus. Photoperiodism affects flowering. Leaves of Mimosa pudica droop down on touch due to change in turgor pressure of leaf base. Vegetative propagation produces clonal population. Vegetative propagation does not help in elimination of virus. Vegetative propagation can be practiced throughout the year. Nastic movement occurs during opening and closing of flower. Closure of lid of pitcher plant is a paratonic movement. Plant hormone are gibberellic acid, cytokinins and auxins. Pneumatophores get oxygen for respiration. Bougainvillea, cocoa, and grapes are propagated by stem cutting. Molasses is a byproduct of sugar production process. Bagasse are Bagasse are substance left after juice extraction from sugarcane. Bagasse is used as a fuel in the boilers to generate steam for factories. Sweet orange plant is propagated by grafting. Jasmine plant is propagated by layering. Camphor, chicory and vanilla are plant products. Cellulose is used in making shatterproof glass. Cellulose is used in making shatterproof glass. Polysaccharides are insoluble in water. Crescograph is a device for measuring growth in plants. It was invented by Jagdish Chandra Bose. Animal Kingdom. Malaria parasite and amoeba are grouped under protozoa. Organ that help in locomotions in Euglena is flagellum. In Paramecium there is cilia. Parapodia in Nereis and tube feet in starfish. Examples of Annelida phylum are Nereis, Ferretima earthworm, Redunaria, blood-sucking leech. होता है एनिलीडा और एक और होता है मच्छी तो होता है Vermiculture is science of raising worms. Euglena is a green protozoa. Euglena is a connecting link between animal and plant. Nitrogen gas is essential for protein synthesis. Protozoa is responsible for dysentery is ant amoeba. Golden view of seashell is due to polarization. Leishmania is a protozoa which produce kala azar. Sleeping sickness is caused by trypanosoma. Unicellular non-pathogenic parasite found in human intestine is E. coli. Star tortoise, pygmy hog, and monitor lizard are naturally found in India. Life cycle of Plasmodium, which is found in mosquito, was discovered by Ronald Ross. Euplectella is used as a gift in Japan. Haliotis animal belongs to Mollusca. Ostia, small pore found in the body of sponges. Ostia are a small pore found in the body of sponges. Osculum is a large opening at the top of cycon. Mollusca is the second largest animal phylum. Hydra have no blood but they respire. Coral reefs belongs to phylum Colenterata. Coral reefs are found in Andaman and Nicobar Islands, Gulf of Kutch, and Gulf of Mannar, but not in Sundarban. Stromboli of Sicily is also called Lighthouse of Mediterranean. Jellyfish is also known as Aurelia. Colenterate, stenophores, and echinoderms have radial body plan. Animals like annelids and arthropods, etc., where the body can be divided into identical left and right halves in only one plane, exhibit bilateral symmetry. Amphibian means two lives. Flatworm is kept under phylum Platyhelminthes. Taenia tapeworm and Fasciola liver fluke belongs to phylum Platyhelminthes. Tapeworm is not useful for mankind. Tapeworm reach into intestine of human by eating beef. Roundworm belongs to phylum Nematoda. Disease filaria is caused by Wuchereria bancrafti. Ascaris is found in intestine of man. Earthworm scientific name is Ferretima posthuma. Pigment found in the blood of earthworm is hemoglobin. Earthworm is called farmer's friend because it makes soil porous. Number of eyes in earthworm is 0. Insects have 3 pairs of legs. Example bug. Silk is obtained from pupa of silkworm. Larva of housefly is called maggot. Poison in scorpion is found in telson. Sleeping sickness is spread by tase fly. Kala azar is transmitted by sandfly. Feature of class Insecta is that it has 3 pairs of legs. Sea cow and sea lion are mammals. Cuttlefish is known as sepia. Octopus comes under phylum Mollusca. Octopus is also called devilfish. Number of arms found in octopus is 8. Connecting link between Annelida and Mollusca is neopilina. Starfish grouped under phylum Echinodermata. Aristotle lantern is found in sea urchins. Honey that has high concentration of sugar does not decay because bacteria cannot survive in an active state in a solution of high osmotic strength as water is drawn out. Seedless fruits are of no use in coconut. Fibers of cotton are obtained from seed coat. Seahorse or flying fish is true fish. Jellyfish comes under phylum Cnidaria. Seahorse comes under phylum Pisces. Mammalian heart is myogenic and it is regulated by nerves. The heartbeat originates from sinoatrial node. Dolphin is a mammal. Dengue is caused by Aedes mosquito. Hemocyanin is oxygen transport metalloprotein. Hemocyanin is found in some invertebrate animals. Hemocyanin contains two copper atoms. Number of pair of heart in earthworm is 5. Malaria is caused by plasmodium. Anopheles and Culex mosquito can be distinguished by sitting posture. Metamerism is characteristic of phylum Annelida. Closed circulatory system is found in cuttlefish. Open circulatory system is found in cockroach. Porifera is not a diploblastic or triploblastic phylum. Nervous system originated first in Hydra. Colenterata is same as Cnidaria. Annelida are advanced than nematoda by metameric segmentation, closed circulation, and true coelom. Nephridia of earthworm are analogous to flame cell of Dugacia. Cockroach, housefly, and mosquito are insects because they have segmented body, 6 legs, and body divided into head, thorax, and abdomen. Holstein Friesian is a non-endogenous breed of cow. Red Sindhi, Gir, and Tharparkar are breeds of cow. Water vascular system is found in Echinodermata. Water vascular system is found in echinodermata. Hemocoel is found in arthropoda. Dengue is transmitted by Aedes mosquito. Peripatus is the connecting link between Annelida and arthropoda. Foot and mouth disease are found in cows, pigs, sheep, goat, and deer. Dogfish is a true fish. Ant sting has formic acid in it. Farming plus animal husbandry is called mixed farming. Fishes die out of water because they can't respire. Glomerulus is the excretory organ in hemichordates. Amphibians live both on land and water. Only male frog produce croaking sound because female frog have no larynx. Larva of frog is called tadpole. 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 Number of chambers in heart of frog is 3. Cold-blooded animals are fish, wall lizard, and frog. Bones of birds are pneumatic and light. Hibernation is the winter sleep due to low temperature. Animal association seen in suckerfish and shark is an example of commensalism. Tear gland is not found in crocodile. Malphigian tubule is the excretory organ of insect. Production of urine. Cartilaginous fish differ from bony fish by uncovered gills, heterocircle tail, and ventral mouth and nares. Penguin is found only in Antarctica. Sound producing organ in bird is syrinx. Birds in modern poultry farms are reared so as to prevent egg damage. Cobra emits venom through fangs. Shark is cold-blooded animal. Poison gland in snake is modification of salivary gland. Most poisonous snake is karat. Hibernation can be seen in bats, bears, and rodents. The snake who makes its nest is king cobra. Dinosaur was Mesozoic reptile. Poisonous lizard is Heloderma. Heloderma is a poisonous lizard. Draco is a flying lizard. Mongoose can fight with a snake. Spider have 8 legs. Scorpion have 8 legs. Mite has 8 legs, but bug has 6 legs. Middle ear is not found in snake. They receive sound through skin. Dr. Salim Ali was an ornithologist. Hummingbird is the smallest bird. Molar teeth is used for grinding food. Flightless bird found in New Zealand is kiwi. Archaeopteryx was an ancient bird of Jurassic period. Largest flightless bird is ostrich. Extinct bird with teeth in beak was Archaeopteryx. Archaeopteryx was the connecting link between reptile and bird. Scientific name of peacock is Pavo cristatus. Elephants have the longest gestation period or pregnancy period. Notochord, notochord, a bone, is possessed by all chordates. All chordates possess notochord, a primitive backbone. Notochord is present in phylum Chordate. Pharynx is perforated by gill slits in chordate. A post-anal part called tail is present in chordate. Characteristics of mammals are that it has mammary gland, sweat gland, and four-chambered heart. Group of dolphins is called a pod. Hydra reproduces through budding. Whale is a mammal because of mammary gland, placenta and hair. Blue whale is the largest mammal. Amphibia and reptilia have three-chambered heart. Whale has four-chambered heart. Enucleated RBC is found in mammals. Eyes of cat shines during night due to tapetum lucidum. Bat can fly during night because they produce ultrasonic wave. Ctenidium is a respiratory organ or gill which is found in mollusca. Embryo get mineral salt, glucose and oxygen from mother during pregnancy. Bat is a warm-blooded animal. Arthropoda are invertebrates. Kidney secretes an enzyme called renin, which changes plasma protein angiotensinogen into angiotensin. Kidney secretes an enzyme called renin, which changes plasma protein angiotensinogen into angiotensin. Urine of mammal contain urea. Fertilization in frog is external. Honey bee and wasp are grouped secta. All animal all mammal have capacity to distinguish the color. प्रेजेंट और परमानेंट एड्रेस में डिफरेंस क्या है? बताओ भाई, नहीं पता हमको, बताओ. All mammals have capacity to distinguish the color. Pheromones are chemical substance secreted by particular species of animal to attract another member of same species. Fibrinogen is the substance found in blood which help in clotting. Mammoth was the ancestor of elephant. Pheromones is found in insect. Gorilla is nearest to modern man. Largest Indian fish is whale shark. Spider is not an insect. Generally, insects respire through spiracle. Echidna lays eggs. Oviparous. Echidna is a mammal which lays eggs, means it is oviparous. Langur is not an ape. Flying fox is a bat. King cobra's diet is composed of other snakes. In spiders, female kills the male after copulation. Dugong is a mammal. Release of Gambusia fish into water body helps in controlling mosquitoes. Panda and bear belong to same family. Wolf is monogamous, ekvivahi. Roundworm has no circulatory system. Roundworm nematode. One second. Roundworm has no circulatory system. Swim bladder is usually present in bony fishes. Fertilization is internal in cartilaginous fishes. Stenophora are also called comb jellies. Gibbon is the only ape found in India. Toothless mammals such as pangolins are found in India. Amoeba reproduces by fission. All unicellular organisms reproduce asexually. Tapeworm is hermaphrodite, means having both male and female reproductive organ. Roundworm has separate sexes. Filaria is caused by a nematode. Guinea worm is a nematode. Lobster is a crustacean. Himalayan salamander is a amphibia. Indian shark is Chondrich thais. Seahorse is Ostrich thais. Tortoise is a reptilia. Crocodiles store fat in tail. Bat is blind, extremely poor eyesight. Kidneys in human being is similar to Malpighian tubule in insects. Kidneys in human being is similar to Malpighian tubule in insects. आँखों ही आँखों में कर पाते। जुड़ने के लिए धन्यवाद। अभी के लिए इतना ही, अगले बार फिर मिलेंगे कुछ थोड़ी देर में।